Put your head through there, mate. See what you done? What you done? I'm going to have to cut you out. You got your head stuck in there, look. How are you? Hey? What you do getting in a bag? What are you getting in a bag for? Have you managed that? Can you get your head through? Right, I'm going to have to cut you out now. Oh, no. No. Alright, hang on, mate. There you go. Is that better? Is that better? There you go. She's going.